Let's make our special dragon fire roll. Begin by spreading about 4 ounces of sushi rice over a half sheet of nori. Next, layer on shiso leaves, sliced cucumber, spicy tuna, and fresh salmon. Roll tightly using a bamboo mat, applying gentle pressure as you go. Once rolled, add a refreshing touch by thinly slicing pepper tuna and avocado and arranging the slices on top of the roll. To secure the pepper tuna and avocado, use plastic wrap to shape them tightly before cutting into 11 pieces. After cutting, use the excess plastic wrap to cover the roll and reshape it again with a bamboo mat. Remove the plastic wrap from the roll. Arrange on a plate and top each piece with thinly sliced jalapeno, spicy mayonnaise, red tobiko, and green onions for color and flavor. Garnish with flowers for an elegant touch. Try this recipe at home and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and follow for more recipes. Thanks for watching, sushi lovers. Until next time, happy rolling.